Hi guys, this is a tutorial for how we're going to do the radiation research practice assignment. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google Classroom and click on your class. I'm going to use period A4 as an example. So once you get to your class, you should have this assignment at the top of your stream. So the first thing you're going to do is click on Radiation Research number 1. That should open up your own copy that you can type in. And this is what the doc looks like. So the goal of this is to answer the question, what type of radiation is the most dangerous, alpha, beta, or gamma? Before you can answer the question, you need to find some research on all three of these, alpha radiation, beta radiation, and gamma radiation. To do your research, you only have a few options. You are not allowed to Google anything. So I should not see Google out. You should not be searching anything on Google. You may use the Chelsea High School online resources or e-resources. And these are trustworthy databases of all kinds of articles, like from encyclopedias, from the news. So these are all okay to use. And the three you should focus on are Gale databases, Today's Science, and Encyclopedia Britannica. So let's go to Gale first. So click that. And on Gale, you should click Science in Context because we're in science class. So let's try Gale first. I want to research alpha radiation. So in Gale, I'm going to search something like alpha radiation, and hopefully something comes up. All right, looks promising. So let's just click this first link. And then once you read or get to an article, I would glance through this and see if there's any information that talks about the dangers or what kind of damage it can do, if it's dangerous at all. So maybe skim through the article. This looks promising. It is much less penetrating than most other forms of radiation, such as beta and gamma. Alpha rays are stopped by a sheet of paper and are generally unable to penetrate the skin. For that reason, they are seldom regarded as a health hazard for humans, with one major exception. So maybe I'll just copy this entire paragraph and then paste it here. So you're just collecting all your facts into the background research section of your Google Doc. And then once you do that, go back to your source. Make sure you copy the citation. So click on Citation Tools here, and it should give you your citation. So just copy and then paste this one into your Google Doc. And this is just for you to keep track of your radiation or of your sources. Okay, so after you find information about alpha, maybe you look for stuff on beta. And you don't have to stick to Gale. You can also click on Today's Sciences. That's another database that you can use. So I'm going to search beta radiation. And if it doesn't look good, just try a different source. Radiation. So nothing about specifically beta radiation is coming up. A trick if you want to find a keyword is to press Control F, and then you can type in the word you want. Beta. Beta. Beta rays are stopped by a few centimeters of wood. Okay, so maybe that could be useful. I'm going to copy this fact into my Google Doc. And then for Today's Science, for the citation, it's right down here on the bottom. So copy this and you can paste it directly in your doc. And that doesn't seem like a lot of information. So let's look up our final resource, Britannica. Once you get here, click on high for high school. And then here you can search the same thing, beta radiation. Maybe radioactive decay. So this looks like a pretty long article. I'm going to do Control F for beta again and see if they talk about anything that relates to being dangerous or having harmful effects. And you can press enter to kind of flip through the betas. Okay, it doesn't seem like they really talk about much. So we'll stop there. If you do end up using a Britannica source, how you cite it is you click Cite up here in this bar, click on Cite. You have to scroll down a little bit, and your citation should be on the bottom here. So copy and paste that. So if you use this source, you would also copy and paste it here, but we didn't, so I'm going to erase it. And that's how you do your research. So you should have several facts for alpha, beta, and gamma radiation. So get all your background information before you write your paragraph. To find out how to do that, look at the next YouTube video.